Yes, blessed my people, this is it, my people. In downtown, looking about, going about your business and park your car. But today, you see, everywhere in town is yellow line. And I think the government should do something about this for the citizens of this country. It is not a money-making thing for these big dons. These big dons in Jamaica, after they use the money and buy these things and go around and making pressure on the poor people. No, these big dons, they need to come up and talk to the workers and make them know that it is not like that. They don't just force and just take up people's car and mash it up. And then there is no one responsible for your car that have been mashed up. See? So, as I'm saying, my people, I was in downtown Kingston at the bank. Come out the bank and start by my car right by the corner. Turn my back to my car and I could hear flow. When I look around, I saw this wrecker going underneath my vehicle, taking up my vehicle, my people. I stepped down to them and I said, I'm right here, I open the car door and I said, I'm here, okay. They still pursued and they jack up and they fixed what they fixed, but they didn't fix it because they was doing it in ace. They have a man that is they have a man that working on the truck that is a madman. See? They have a madman that work on truck. See? And these truck are truck that's parked up by Linders Road. Okay? These records are records that park up by Linders Road. See? And these Dan that's all these records must talk to those workers. And they know that we are Jamaican, we are Jamaican. Things are very expensive. Okay? They cannot mash up your car just for you to go and show your park on yellow line and they just reverse underneath your car like that with a big old lion and lick up into the front of your car and mash it up. Come, I want Mr. Big Man, please talk to your workers and tell them us to better with people, vehicle and the road. Okay? Yeah. And this $7,400, the government is charging $7,400 KCC charging, collecting from poor people for them take up them poor people car. Okay? So please, I'm asking you people to do better with people car on the road. And if when they mash up people car, is there any compensation for the public to get that when they park a car, not because you park your car on yellow line, and they come and they slam the wrecker into front of your car, and they hang on to something on your control arm and they don't hang good on them drive the wrecker, it pull your car and pump and shake your car out, pull your car out the lining, or they bust the rubber on your control arm. Is it right that your car is a 4-wheel drive and your car park is in park and they lift up the front of your car and draw it on the back wheel? We don't put something to carry it to avoid the handbrake from being damaged. Come on, man. These people need to do better. They cannot manipulate the system like that. We all know these things are the system, okay? But they cannot manipulate the system. When they manipulate the system like that, what do you think the people in the road going to say? The system is not working for us. And if the system is against we, the public, if you get all kind of people to go in the system and do whatsoever they feel like to do, they are going to make the public feel very uncomfortable. Okay? And when the public feel uncomfortable, you know what's next. Okay? So what I am saying, talk to the driver. They are officer that know rights are sitting into the wrecker and driving up and down with these people. Let them know they cannot damage people vehicle like that. And Mr. Officer,
what am I front end for me car the man mash up?
Recommend do these things, you must always talk to the people them and tell them where they can go for their compensation for their vehicle. Okay? See, my vehicle has been mashed up. The front of my vehicle are blinking with the wrecker. The police officer not giving me any talk. The wrecker man not giving me any talk. and nobody not giving me a talk pertaining to what my
Yeah, man.
vehicle.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And my vehicle have cost money to fix, to stay on the road. So I don't think it is right for you people to use your wrecker and mash up my vehicle and put me in chaos that I have to go through all these problems trying to get my vehicle fixed.
Them people, see them people.
Yes, as I am saying, my people, so they don't need to
See the
go
people.
for the $7,400. They mash up your
So
vehicle.
much you pay
They
them.
all know that vehicle parts and man that
$7,400.
working on vehicle, they are very
I'm gonna
expensive
show
now.
them the damage from the car.
See, if you line
All
your
the way
car,
up.
it's $3,000
See?
for line a
And if the
car
car
or
start,
more right
it'll
now.
make it'll give
So
me problem
they
because
don't need to mash up
my car
people's
just fix up.
vehicle.
Everything from my car
That's
just
what I
fix
am
up.
asking.
See me? Just
The
like
big
yesterday I
Dan
come
them
from
will
garage.
control the car.
And
Cause these
I
car
wash
park
me
up
the
on
car, get the
Linders
car
Road,
wash.
so
When I go to the
big
bank,
Dan them know
to the
themselves
start
when they
out,
on the rear, yeah.
my car,
No for these car do
I'm
not,
going to the bank and
these
leave the
record
car
do
and
not
come out back
need to
and
mash up
go into the
people
car
vehicle like
and just
that.
walk by the corner and
So I'm
mark
just
lane.
begging you, please just talk to no
The bank,
records.
there's right at the corner, there's some
Just
just walk
talk
by
to no records.
at the
Let
intersection of
them
the road.
understand
I mean, somebody
the
says, see the
thing
record, take up
because
the car
trust
there.
me, not go nice.
And I say, me not dead, me dead
See?
and turn on and
It
say,
no
yo,
nice at
me there,
all
and the
for
man,
them
them
mash up
run the
people
record and hit
vehicle
me
like
car,
that.
same way.
See? It no
Clung, clung.
nice. See? And
You
not,
know, hear me
not
say?
even
Clung,
you,
clung, me here.
the bigger
Right now,
boss,
the
who
whole
no
of my,
feel good
right now,
about it.
me
You
I
know,
telling the
sir.
truth. Me know, say,
A man
things
have
pop
him
off
record,
underneath me car.
out the road there. Come,
To all the
boom,
man them
jam
deal
him
with
record in the
things,
car and mash up the
man
car
them deal
like
with
that.
things
So,
rough.
please, not beg
My
you.
bumper
Please, not beg you.
tear off, front bumper tear off.
Take little precaution towards them thing there, okay? Yeah.
The bonnet rise up to all the
Yes, Father
pressure
God, so it
or
is
the
like
signal
that.
in
So I
my
have to
youth.
go
You
and
don't
I
know how
pay
that happened to the bonnet.
$7,400
See
to
me?
get back my
You don't know
car now.
how.
So I was going up now back to get my car and try to
But
find
this is
somebody to
how them
talk
deal
to
with me.
pertaining towards
And deal with
the
me thing.
incident that happened to my car, the damage that happened to my car, and there was no one to talk to me about
So,
it. So basically, everybody was shying
you don't
away
know,
from me.
here
Even
is
the
a right,
police officer
because
that
them
is
cannot deal
there,
with people things
the
like that. You
the
know, so them
the,
can't take up people car
the
on road, but
compound
mash up people
the
vehicle. When I check
compound
say that right. See me?
manager,
When
which
I
should
check
be
say
the
it right.
ground manager for the compound,
You know, turn on
is not even
and
there for talk to
damage
me.
them kind of way there.
So
When I check
nobody
say it
come
right.
up front and talk to me pertaining towards the incident that happened that I am
See me?
claiming happened to my car. So,
So,
these things are things that people
security,
have to put in
I like to
mind
talk to
and
the
know,
floor
so boy,
manager.
yeah, they can, mash up people vehicle, no make sense, and mash up people
Floor manager
vehicle.
gone
Yeah,
home for
these things
lunch.
are things that people
Yeah,
put in
so,
mind and know, say.
alright. So I ask the floor manager
Well,
to
as I
talk
say,
to.
pay the
So who else we
money.
can talk to about my car
And
them
have the
damage?
car staying there, but would I like to know where can I go now to get
Me have to talk to
compensation
the
for
wrecker
my
guys
car
them
that
who
is
bring in
mashed
the
up?
car.
Who can I go to for them to talk, for me to talk to, that
So
I
there is
can
no
get
others
my
we
car
have to
fixed
talk.
up back?
So why you never told me that from early
Who
say
can I
me
go
have to
to
talk
and
to the
speak to?
me have to talk to the
Well,
wrecker, the
I
vehicle
will continue
damage.
pursue
The
it,
wrecker take up my
and I
vehicle and damage my
continue
vehicle.
look
Come show you boss.
help towards my car to fix up. Okay? I will take in no run. I'm going to look on my car because I talk to the security. Security cannot help me. I have a gentleman that sit in his vehicle over there. See there? Where the wrecker a reverse on the car and push back the bonnet
And
stay like
listen
that.
to me.
The bonnet up, the bonnet lock. Them
Talk
know,
to
you know,
them and them
people
want
lock.
progress me say.
But the
Them a
front of the
response to me and
car
them a response to
with
you.
the wreckers lick up in
And you have to
when it a
remember
reverse
that
on
my
the car
car is a
push
four-wheel drive.
back. That's
My
why
car
the
is a
bonnet
four-wheel
stay like
drive.
that. Okay, my
And
people.
the
So all the
man
people know
drive the
about
car
car
on the
can
back
know.
wheel
See?
and the car there in a
And
park.
this is the situation on my car. You know, see the bumper there, right there, bumper tear off. Right there. Yeah. I catch on right there, so. Catch turn back.
But
The
I
bumper
don't know
tear
who I
off.
must talk to because I
So
have to pay my money here. So
the alignment jog out of the car. See? So these are the things that happen. And remember, this is how the car stay, my people. I
because I don't want
just
some
come out of the
goods
garage
argument
to
on it.
fix up my
Otherwise, my
front
lawyer
end
have to get towards it.
completely.
Now I tell you
And
gonna
I
the
go
truth.
to an alignment
75,000
stand
I just
and pay
spent.
$3,000 and do the alignment for the car.
I just spend my money. See there? Look
Up
at the
till
car.
now,
See?
my people,
Me hear you say
I
man, you go
realized
right to
that.
proceed. So you stay? Garage me I come from.
Oh boy, oh my God of mercy. Father
And the
God,
work, me
just
say
guide
put me
and
on road
protect
and work done.
us in this land we live.
See me? Just I
No
come
one
from
is giving me
garage.
no
Yeah,
talk
me hear
towards me,
everything what you say, man.
Carter.
Me understand
Just
what you
don't
say. You don't really
fix it.
matter about,
On the
you
record,
really
talking
dispense
to the
that.
policeman on the record, he not giving me any
Man,
talk.
this time I have to tell you the
Now
truth,
I'm
man. You have
talking
to,
to somebody into the
this is the
pound,
officer,
and he
so
not giving me any
deal with the
talk
thing
neither. Well,
straight away.
the
Officer,
officer just come in,
officer,
see him there. I'm
officer.
going to talk to him again and find out from him what is it that I
Yeah,
need
officer that
to
you deal with the
do
thing.
for my
So,
vehicle to get fixed up.
give me a deal
You
about my
see,
car
the
to find out
security
what really I go
is
down.
showing that I am
And hear what him
talking
have
to
to say.
him.
Right.
He's not paying me any mind. He's just walk
Right,
away
I know
and
my
he
people,
leave me
trust
just
me.
like that.
When we come at the garage back, I know, come find out what really get damaged. What really get damaged on the car right now. So that never come seek out I know because to all me hear the wrecker. And the car upon the record told me hear them the sound of crunk, 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 crunk. And if you come check out and see what really damaged by people, Judge and no star. So, man, left on it at the one. See? I can't show now. I have to do this, I have to check it out back. The car just fix up and everything is straight. So I have to know where I go on because God knows star. You know, you're not right, you're not right, you're not right, you're not right. Huh? Drive out a line in. About that go on then, look out a line in. Yeah, you have to talk about line, yeah. Come here, krum. Two times here, krum. Yeah, $7,400 boy them taking about. I'm on the car, my car. I still have to pay for the fix back the car. Charger no star. So as I must say, him not say nothing from the random lick out. But him say it jog back out a line in the car to or him jog it, it draw it and it jog out a line in. You see me? So that go on right now, the car jog out a line in. So when really I drive and Lego, the car will swing from one side, so the line in going back out tight. You see, and yesterday even it line up, you know. $3,000 that. You see it? Yeah.
Stop by Paul Place, man, by two.
Charger no star. Car they wash it, not tell the people. God see I no star. Cause like we don't even know if it's say right or not. God know. You know. The system, you know. The system bring you down and mash you up. That way, yeah man, the system is, you know, no good. That's the people so see.
Alright, I know my people. At the front of the car where the wrecker damage. Where the wrecker damage. The wrecker pushing this. See? It's like the car never set good on something and the car go down and pushing the front of the car. See? You can see it? See it? This is our bus out. See?
Drive come out at the bottom
So
man. Check out.
pushing the car. So see, you know, I will come and fix the front of the car. See? See where them do to the damage, them do to the car.
The front of the car.
These are not right things.
Push the car.
I agree, yes. If you can't park at a no parking spot and you take it up with caution. You don't damage people's car. Because a fixed car is very expensive. When them do this now, want me to pay $7,400 to take out the car out of pound. Then carry it in a pound and pay $7,400. Plus if you compare a man to fix damage where them do to the car. See? See the bonnet there? The bonnet no fixed set. See? At the front, him a try to see me can line up at the front. And this was no me can't stay.
See?
You can't never stay like this.
Mash up the car, reverse to the front of the car and sink it. It's all me alone to fix it back. See? The man with my car go give a check a while ago $1,000 to check the car. $1,000.
I'm not telling the people, trust me.
See? This man I know the body man. When I come down to give the car and to deal with the front of the car. You know, say this is around
So the phone, so that's how you
$5,000,
stack up the people.
See? So big people $400 to take the car with a pump. See?
That's how the front of the car gone in.
These are what
Sinking.
you're talking about.
So
See?
pushing. That's a pushing.
Take the car off a yellow line.
See how far the bonnet come up? Yeah,
Pure.
all of this a pushing. I see that much up the car drop down on the record.
And then we don't have anybody to go to and talk to. Mash up. Okay? The record mash up people vehicle.
So the whole of you so pushing.
Compensated.
I'm not telling the people, see that?
Driver who willing to do
That's
it.
when we down in pushing.
See, if you drive so much car, you can't afford the car, if you collect the money, have the money to spend. But the thing is this, that say, do not mash up people, vehicle
It's
in
not
the
right.
process of doing what
I mean, I
you're
thought the
doing.
God Almighty truth. It's
So
not right.
these people need to be talked by the wrecker boss, which is a big superior boss in the country. Everybody don't know, I'm not calling him, okay? But this record company is up by Linden's Road. See? So please, I am asking the boss, please, I am asking. Talk to your workers, then. Talk to your workers, then. See? Talk to your workers, then. You see it? If you're not that gone in. You see it? You see it? So you push up back, all of that gone in. See? So, people, I tell you the truth. You know, run another body car, mash up my body car for my car sinking like that. And if me run, if somebody can, me lick up, you know, and do my car like that. Then I have to fix for the people them car. They be sure say, on my body car, me running have to do my car like that. So the man them need to just do better. They need to do better with people car from the road. No can't do people car like that. And people come now, see there? The whole of this, you see it? You can see the people. The whole of this gone, see there? All of this, see the whole of the body that came over the whole of the front of the car. They say, another go and need them. Watch it, see it, Annalisa?
See them people?
See the
that's
finger
a
there,
plan,
so
really.
the whole of this one come out back.
So come
The whole
out.
of this one come out back. See, so far in the pushing the car gone in. The people you want to see it for yourself. Say, this is not a joke thing. I'm line me and tell her,
If I have the money, I have to do it. How we do it? No front drive, back to
Front to them drive.
cautious
front drive.
how
But
they
it's
deal
not
with
out so
people
that they
things.
say for me like,
It's slip when them slip off and they sit down, chop dump on them.
That on the road. So please,
So that
Mr.
them never
Boss,
set it good.
know yourself.
But that's supposed to
Those
happen.
people may know you too. I beg you, please talk to your workers. Them cannot deal with people.
But the whole of this a
People
pushing.
like that on the road.
That's why the bonnet stays so.
See, you know, it's all my expense. It's
And the whole of the bumper, see
my
there?
expense.
that's them say the
See?
bumper. Yeah, but at them say the bumper so
My
bad.
expense. All of these is my expense. See? All of these is my expense. The whole of those are tear off. A
Church
plastic
and no
well,
star.
a plastic well. I'm off with a plastic well it. See? All of these is just on my head, you know. So please, my baby.
Yeah, people.
The people them.
I've got to try to pull on, take off the winning there, so. I'll take off the bumper, forget to draw out this. Because this gone in. This gone in. So it lick and push in. I said the bonnet cock up so. Policeman come out and video my car. The policeman come out and video my car, them a take it up. When I like him show him video, I saw me car mash up. See me? Cause them video before they take it up, you know. See me? So I want them show that video there. Say boy, I saw me car will stay. See me? Cause me know say I know my car never stay so. And you know to come here when.
Yeah.
See? And all we say we do is to look at body work and plastic well. See me? Because we say we have patch out some look part on it. Some look part like all them parts are there so. Them parts here, we have plan. I said, see? So we have do some, let him do some work on it and patch out them little thing there. You see it? And do some plastic welding. See? That was the thing when we said we had a plan to do, you know. And all of a sudden now, see there? A different thing this. Because the whole of that gone. So this is something else if we come so. Slowing like this. So just so this slow. So this is for the concrete so. So. Find them part of it proper, don't them part of last. So you see young people. So right now I'm in the car right there so. Push in. And for that push in, you have to drop it like a car. Go down on something tough. Iron on the chuck. See me? Push it in. Yeah. So all that could have push in by the man? Oh, push out, I mean. So I drop down, I could drop down on the body, the wrecker body. That's our boss. I don't know, you can see the people. This is the local problem I know. I'll try how I'm gonna get it. But you know, want to take off the radiator because take off the radiator now so the water will run out. So what going on there? So he want to dry it out in a way where he don't have to give himself too much work to take off all of them things. See what? No, I go on it.
try to say, can't drive. You can see the way it can come.
I'm gonna try to see if we can brace it, man. It's strong enough.
Easy. From the back.
Yeah, yeah.
Easy. Come a little bit.
Push out, look up. Come on, too much down. We're good. Yeah, we're good. When people so safe, I can turn around come down back. Because I come over to my front over so. See the problem with them though? Damage people vehicle. These are the problems I talk about. See me? I know it just left for me alone now to go through all these stress to fix but my vehicle never have a problem. That's what I talk about my people. Yeah. That's why I come over. So.
We never try to check it out.
And it come down for me, so if you try something, it's a road work.
Plastic will let's work, bro. I look on the plastic will look at us to do assistant. What's it? Push on a fly and to the access it. Yeah, try if you call plastic well, I say, but sure night come down. But if you come back, come see we can do it. Because night come down for me, so not it. People will come back the next day again. Come back to man for life. Night come down for me. Compensation. If you come back over the man finish to get compensation for my vehicle. We give thanks and praise the life, trust me. That's all I want to say, man. Just fix up my vehicle. I want to fix up my vehicle. All of them spend all of their drive, Just fix the camera, drive. My money come out of polo. You see?